In the Kayapan, in the morning of the 27th of August, Friday morning, and there's a cheetah here, and just where he's looking, they made a kill, but a hyena stolen it from them. But I can't see the kill from here. There's the hyena with the kill. And the cheetah are sort of to the right. I can't see them anymore.
Got such good shots now with the other lens.
It looks like they've given up on their meal.